Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do another unboxing, and it's going to be the Yamay Smartwatch. Now I found this smartwatch on the internet, and you're going to find the description below because I believe that we could have a win here. Let's look at the specifications. We have a pedometer, a sleep monitor, notifications, SMS alerts, heart rate monitor, and we have a 1.3 LCD display. We can connect this smartwatch with Very Fit Pro app, which I already downloaded. I've downloaded this app on my A51, and we're gonna take a look. Now I'm gonna do an unboxing. Now, first impressions, this box feels kind of premium. Even the packaging that arrived. We have the case here is a magnetic case. So we have the paperwork here. This tells you how to charge the smartwatch. Disassemble the strap. Okay, so you can screenshot those informations there. Now let's take a look. We have the watch here with a black strap, and we have the charger. Nothing else on the box. So it's a short cable. We also have a function button here. Let's remove the sticker. Okay, so let me just charge it up and take a look, and we will see how this phone connects with the app. Okay, so now we have charged the watch, and we will try to connect it with the Very Fit Pro app. While we are on the menu, we can use this button as the back button. See, we must have Bluetooth turned on, and the watch here, it's recognized by the app. We can set up our profile here. As you saw, the hour just changed and the date also. Now I have to say that this feels good in the hand. The strap feels quite nice because I'm used to Mi Band 4 and it's practically the same material, but it feels good. Now we also have double tap to wake the screen. Let's see if we have some more options here. Now we can set up our phone to match call alerts. we have music control, heart rate detection, wrist sense, so when we go like this, healthcare, etc. Now I can just remove this. Also, when putting the watch in charge, I recommend you putting the watch like this and just attaching, because this is magnetized, the charger. You can just put it like this and plug this on your computer or USB port. Now, final thoughts. I will keep this watch. I will try to replace my Mi Band 4 with this. So yeah, this was the review, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.